Hello everybody, it's Crystal, the Puzzle Fit Trainer, and today we're going to go over how to utilize yoga props. So since we are starting our yoga series, I really wanted to go over the basics, and one of the basics are how to utilize yoga props. So we've already been over breathing, and we've already been over how to practice sun salutation A and B. If you guys have not checked out those two videos, sun salutation A and B and how to perform yoga breathing, I've listed the links below. Please check those videos out because yoga breathing and sun salutation A and B are the basics of yoga. So the purpose of props is to assist practitioners meaning anyone who practices yoga, to assist practitioners with alignment and limitation issues. These props allow you to get into poses that you wouldn't normally get in by yourself. Also, if you have any injuries such as a neck injury, back injury, or knee injury, the props will assist you until you recover from the injury. Now, once you improve from your injury or your flexibility, you can eliminate the use of props. Lastly, never get too excited to get into a certain posture and pull yourself in it and you can injure yourself. That is the purpose of the props. If you can't do a certain posture, use a prop. So today I am going to demonstrate how to use the props so you can safely get into the postures. So I'm going to show you how to use a yoga strap, a long one and a short one. I am going to show you how to use a yoga blanket. I'm going to show you how to use a yoga bolster. And I am going to show you how to use a yoga block. So what I want you to do is just sit back, relax, and I'm going to go through a series of poses using the yoga props.